Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss the best fast charging applications for Android devices. These applications claim to optimize battery charging, enhance charging speed, and provide efficient battery management. So, let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fast charging application for your Android device. BatteryOne. BatteryOne is a fast charging application designed to optimize battery charging on Android devices. This application uses advanced algorithms to identify and disable background running applications that consume a lot of battery power. Moreover, BatteryOne also adjusts screen brightness and network connection settings to save charging time. With these features, the application accelerates the battery charging process with higher efficiency. Fast Charger. Fast Charger is a fast charging application that claims to charge the battery of Android devices quickly. This application uses smart technology to enhance the charging speed by optimizing power usage. Fast Charger also allows users to select charging modes according to their needs, such as fast mode or slow mode. Furthermore, the application provides information about the remaining battery percentage, estimated charging time, and battery temperature during recharging. Super Fast Charger. Super Fast Charger is a fast charging application that claims to charge the battery of Android devices exceptionally fast. This application utilizes high-end technology to increase the charging speed by enhancing the charging current. Additionally, Super Fast Charger features battery optimization capabilities that extend the device battery lifespan. The application also provides notification alerts to monitor the charging process and offer optimal charging advice. As a result, users can rapidly and efficiently charge their device batteries. That's all for today's video about the best fast charging applications for Android devices. We have explored BatteryOne Fast Charger and Super Fast Charger, all of which offer unique features and claim to accelerate battery charging. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.